So today we're going to try Armour Etch. We're going to see if we can etch a design here in the back. My daughter wants this little mason jar for her goodies, and she asked me if she could put her name and a design on it. So let's figure it out. I got me some Armour Etch right here, glass etching cream. It says danger causes burns, which may be not be immediately painful or visible. So, you know, chemical reaction. So make sure that when you do start this, you got some gloves. We're gonna have obviously our glass jar. We're gonna clean it up with some alcohol real quick. Make sure it's nice and clean, lint free. We got our transfer tape. We have permanent vinyl. It doesn't have to be this brand, but it has to be permanent vinyl. Got me some wipes. Reason being, when I finish, I don't want it to go straight to my sink. Again, chemicals. I want to wipe away the excess first before I rinse it out. Naturally, a weeder, my Cricut, my mat, so I can get it all done, my design in place, and let's begin. We're going to be using, again, Armour Etch, glass etching cream. First, we're going to apply the stencil to a clean, dry, etchable glass object. Brush on the thick layer. It says 1 to 3 minutes. I'm going to do 3 minutes. And then again, use running water, rinse it off. But again, I'm going to wipe it first with my wipey before I go ahead and clean it off. Let it dry while we use our stencil. So open up to your Cricut design space, and from there, let's go to images. And she's outdoorsy, so I'm gonna go with a mountains design. Let's go free. This one here. We don't want to get too complicated. It's her first time, so let's see if this works. Okay, now we're going to add her name below. Let's change up the font. I like that. Nice and bold. We're going to line them. There we go. Now we're going to attach. Now the space that I need here, I don't want it to be more than 3 inches wide. So let's just do it 2.75. 2.9. Weld. Doke. Okay, so we said it's vinyl. And here's your piece. Okay, so it looks a little bit like this. And now it's time to weed. We're gonna remove the letters and the majority of the mountain. We're gonna leave this, and we're gonna leave these little designs in here. So let's see. All right. Beautiful. Okay. Okay, gloves first, safety. Okay, we're gonna do it on the opposite side here. First things first. Okay. Let's see. No, it's rounded. Okay. So to make up for it, let's make a few slits. Since it tapers down, we still need to be careful because we need to have that area protected and covered. Bottom. Begin. All right, looks like this. And it says 3 minutes, so I'm going to put it on first and then begin the timer.
Leave that alone.
Our timer is off. So let's get a wipies and wipe this off. Let's see. We're going to put the excess back inside and reuse it for another day. So that's a good thing about this. Little can go a long way. And I don't know if you could see it, but there is, I do see a difference right now. Might be too soon to tell though. Okay, put that back in. Get a wipey. Has a light redneck smell. Let's go wash it up. Be right back. It's all washed up. Let's see how we did. Let's give it one last clean in with the wipey. Even though it's permanent, because we're taking it off right away. I mean, obviously, as you can see, I'm struggling, but we're still able to get it out. And it's looking good, honestly. I mean, you see it, right? It'll look better once I'm done. Let me just finish weeding this guy out, and I'll show you the results. Okay, you guys, and we're done. And check it out. I am so pleased with the results. I mean, I expected it to etch. Yes, I guess I expected it to be a lot lighter, duller. And if you do take a look, I don't know if you could see it. I guess you can detach, you know, uneven texture, if you will, maybe where there was just a wee bit more of the product than in others. But no, honestly, it looks great. Let me put some paper in there, see if we could see it better. Honestly, I think I saw it better the other way. Yes. No, but it looks good. All right. Well, yeah, and only 3 minutes. Okay, might have been a 3 minutes and 30 seconds, but while I applied, if you count that. But other than that, this stuff works, you guys.